Hi, I want to show you another fun and really easy to learn pedal warm-up sequence, but with a little twist. This one follows on from the other exercise that I showed you and is a little bit more complex. If you haven't seen that exercise, a link to that video should be popping up at the top of the screen, so just go along to that video and try that one out first before doing this one. So the principle for this exercise is exactly the same in that you're going to play a seventh chord up and down that continuously loops, and you're just going to change the pedals, but you're going to keep playing the same notes with your fingers. So I'll show you this on F and C pedal, and I'm playing the notes F, A, C, E. Pedals down to sharps, back to naturals, up to flats, and then you can put your left foot down into sharps, your right foot into flats. Okay, so that's the sequence. In the first video we started with the outermost pedals and moved our way in and then back out again. For this exercise with a little twist, we're going to start on one side and move all the way across and then come back with a little twist at the end. So you're going to start with your feet on the E and the D pedals, and you're going to start with the notes E, G, B and D. And so on. You're going to go through that whole sequence of moving the pedals up. And then when you finish that, you're going to move your hands up one string to F, A, C, E, and you're going to move your feet along to the F and C pedals. And you're going to repeat the pattern, okay? So now you're going to move your hands up again, one string, G, B, D, F, and you're going to move your feet across to the B and the G pedal. So this is where we have the little twist. Move your fingers up to the A, C, E, G, and then move your feet across. So now that you're on the E and the A pedal, so you're going to do exactly the same sequence with the pedals. Then you're going to come back down again, G, B, D, F, move your feet back to the B and the G pedals, and again move down to F, A, C, E, do that sequence, move your feet across, and then go down to the E, G, B, D, and again move your feet across. So it's not very often that you have to move both feet over to one side of the harp, but it does happen. And the moving to the E and the A pedal at the same time, you know, I have done that, not a huge amount of times, but it comes up more often than you think. So just to make sure that we do it the other way around, the added twist is move your feet over to now you've got the B and the D pedals. Same chord sequence. So the chord there, if you stay on the same strings, E, G, B, D, the chords don't sound quite so nice. You might want to move your hands up to G, B, D, F instead. It's a slightly nicer variation of chords, but it's just so that we do exercise that as well. So your feet are moving this parallel way across at the bottom of the harp. Have fun.